Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here services.msc and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to simply press W. Just select any other services and press W. Keep pressing W until we found the WLAN AutoConfig. So keep pressing. Here it is. So WLAN AutoConfig. Simply right click on it, select properties. We need to set startup type as automatic, then click on apply, then start the service and click on OK. You can just click on restart the service, wait for some time, and then we need to again select WLAN AutoConfig, again restart the service. You can also right click on it and select restart, and once done, go to its properties, again set startup type as automatic, click on apply and then OK. Once done, just close this window and go for the task manager, open it, then click on run new task, select browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, just scroll down and open Windows folder. In the Windows folder, we need to find out System32 folder. So here it is. Double click on it to open it, and in the System32 folder, we need to find out cmd.exe file. So just keep scrolling down until we found this file. Then click on open, check this box. This will create this task with the administrative privileges, and then click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close all the background windows and execute this command: netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Then type here net cfg space -d and hit enter. You can also go for the -c, your drive, main drive, C drive, then type exit and hit enter. After that, simply open settings, go to these three lines and click on network and internet. Now firstly, go to proxy. We need to disable this option and just go back, just scroll down and click on advanced network settings, then click on network reset and simply click on reset now. Select S. So we need to shut down, Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. So just close this window and simply restart the system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Go and check out, that will be a better option to fix this problem. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.